Yeah, by taking implant training course, first of all, main point which you will get is first you will lose the fear of placement of an implant. Unless until this fear is lost, you can't place the implant properly. And the second thing is you will feel the implant by placing it. You will feel the torque of the implant while placing it, so that you will get a very good confidence of placement of an implant. And one more thing is you will be talking more about implant once your confidence levels are high. So these are the main things which will help you in this training to lose fear, to feel the implant and gain the confidence. Yeah, in this training program, we are having two varieties of implant placements. One is you will get a dummy model where on which you will be placing an implants by yourself. And the other thing is you can provide implants lively on the patients. So on the patient itself, you will be placing the implants. Yes, the course includes both surgical and prosthetic phase. Okay, there will be two parts where you will be placing an implant which is a surgical part, and at the same time you will be handling with the prosthetic phase of an implant also, so that you will get a complete exposure of an implant, totally implant treatment. After completion of this implant training course, you will be having many opportunities, like you yourself will be placing implants in your clinics, and you can do implant consultations also in your neighbor clinics. Okay, and you can give suggestions or trainings. You can take this training as a career also. For your career also, you can take this training also. So there are multiple career opportunities once you got trained in this implant courses. Yes, you can build your implant practice by these training courses. How? Once you got trained means, as I told you, you will get lot of confidence. Okay, once you know the subject, once you are trained, once you are feeling that implant, your confidence level will boost like anything. So when your confidence levels are high, that way you talk with the patients will completely change. Before, you will not be able to tell patient about an implant. Why? Because yourself is not ready about implant. Once you are trained means you will get a lot of knowledge regarding implant placement and processes. So once you are confident means you will explain the patient regarding the implant and the implant technique and the placement of the processes. You can convince the implant patient for implant very easily. The conversion level of your implant practice will increase a lot, such that you will get more and more number of patients, and your practice style of practice will be changed a lot. Yes, we are giving a separate lecture for training you how to counsel a patient, how to convert a patient. This is very important. Once in this lecture, you will get so many tips to convert a patient and counsel a patient. There will be a lot of questions in the patient's mind. We will frame all those questions in this lecture, and we will give proper examples for those questions, so that the same questions when the patient asks, you will be in a position to answer those questions. The lecture for counseling of a patient is very important. All the questions, in our experience, we came across many questions from the patients. So exclusively we are conducting a counseling lectures for converting your patients to boost your confidence levels. All those questions will be answered properly.